Welcome to Amazing Thailand Adventures. In this video, we will show you some of the best food available in Thailand. So sit back and relax as we explore amazing Thai food. Did you know that Thai food is one of the most diverse cuisines in the world? With over 1,000 unique dishes, you might be wondering, where do I even start? Whether you're a seasoned fan or a newbie, today we're diving into the must-try Thai dishes of 2024 that you absolutely can't miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting, Thai food. It's growing in popularity this year, and for good reason. The unique flavors and combinations will blow your mind. From spicy to sweet, there's something for everyone. So, let's explore the incredible dishes that you need to experience this year. Now here's the thing. With so many amazing Thai dishes out there, it can be overwhelming to decide what to prioritize. You walk into a Thai restaurant, and the menu is like a treasure map. Each dish sounds better than the last, and you're left wondering which ones are really worth your time. Plus, if you're trying to whip up some Thai magic at home, figuring out where to start can be just as tricky. So, how do you cut through the noise and find the gems? That's the challenge we're tackling today. Alright, let's dive into some must-try Thai dishes. First up, we have Pad Thai. This classic stir-fried noodle dish combines rice noodles, eggs, veggies, tofu or shrimp, and a delicious tamarind sauce. It's a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. Next, let's talk about Tom Yum Goong. This spicy shrimp soup is packed with bold flavors from lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and chilies. It's like a warm hug on a cold day. And we can't forget about green curry. Made with coconut milk, green curry paste, and your choice of protein, this dish is creamy, spicy, and oh so satisfying. Each dish tells a story, rich with history and culture that you can taste in every bite. Now let's get to the exciting part. The top 3 dishes you absolutely need to try for an authentic Thai experience in 2024. First on the list is Som Tum, a spicy green papaya salad that's refreshing and zesty. It's a perfect balance of flavors and a favorite among locals. Next we have Massaman curry. This mild yet flavorful curry brings together influences from Indian and Thai cuisine, with tender meat and a rich, nutty taste. Finally, you can't miss mango sticky rice for dessert. This sweet treat combines glutinous rice, fresh mango slices, and a drizzle of coconut milk. Trust me, it's the perfect way to end a Thai meal. So there you have it, our ultimate guide to Thai food that you need to try in 2024. We've talked about the incredible flavors of Pad Thai, the spiciness of Tom Yum Goong, and the richness of green curry, not to mention the must-try Som Tum, Massaman curry, and the sweet bliss of mango sticky rice. These dishes are all significant and showcase the best of what Thai cuisine has to offer. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Thai dish, or what's something you've always wanted to try? Drop your comments below and let's chat about it. And if you're eager to explore more, don't forget to check out my next video on Thai street food. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.